Putting an elderly parent into a care facility is never an easy decision, especially if they have Alzheimer's. Audra Brown now with how one Markham company is making their care center feel more like a day at the spa.
One of the biggest risk factors for someone to be institutionalized or to go to long-term care is caregiver stress.
But a new concept in care is hoping to help. Memory and Company is a health club style facility for those with Alzheimer's.
We're the first of its kind that's gone 100% private. That gives a more upscale feel so that our members are feeling like they're coming to somewhere classy and they feel pampered and they feel really good about coming, and the caregivers feel really proud that they had their loved one come for the day.
The Alzheimer's Society of Toronto says this daycare-like flexibility and security will be a big assistance to families.
The more you can keep them engaged and active and feeling meaningful, the better.
And that's why everything at Memory and Company is open to their clients. They can help in the kitchen. They can help fold laundry.
Feeling of belonging is really, really important.
They can watch movies, interact with iPods and other technology, or if they like, they can just take a nap.
Somebody, has this disease from 2 to 20 years. So it's a long time for families to be searching for care and being a full-time caregiver. They need a lot of break. They need to find a balance in their lives to be able to be a caregiver, because you'll just burn out if you don't.
The rate is $100 a day, and they can attend 1 to 6 days a week. And while it may sound expensive, the owners maintain that it's more reasonable than at-home care.
So that's about $9.09 an hour if you work it out. So we are much more affordable than a home caregiver.
Well, the facility is set to open on May 4th. If you would like to have a virtual tour, you can go to our website, citynews.ca, and click on FYI. In Markham, Audra Brown, City News.